Picture this. You're scanning a QR code for your next dream getaway, and suddenly you discover a hidden gem in the heart of Campos do Jordão. Welcome to Chalet com Jacuzzi Sauna Lareira e Teleo Cinema, where luxury meets cozy mountain charm. This isn't just a place to stay, it's an experience. Imagine soaking in a bubbling jacuzzi under the stars, stepping into a soothing sauna to melt away stress, or curling up by a crackling fireplace with your favorite drink. And that's not all. How about movie nights under the open sky with their huge outdoor cinema screen? It's pure magic. Nestled in those breathtaking hills, this 3-star chalet is your perfect escape. Check-in is a breeze from 2 p.m., so you can start relaxing right away, and checkout isn't until 10 a.m., plenty of time for one last dip in the jacuzzi before you leave. Plus, with daily housekeeping and free parking, everything's taken care of. Just a heads up, while kids are welcome, there might be a small fee for younger guests, so plan accordingly. Whether you're here to unwind or explore the stunning surroundings, this chalet has it all. So why wait? Book your stay now and get ready for a getaway you'll never forget.